love dim sum, love Momo, but do not want the high carb maida wrapper or the all-purpose flour wrapper option, then maybe a small quantity of rice can do the trick for you. The version I'm showing here uses chicken as a protein, but if you're vegetarian or do not want to eat chicken, please go ahead and use cauliflower, broccoli, soya granule as whatever is your choice of protein. What makes this dish very tasty and interesting is that small quantity of rice gives you that bite that you get from regular dim sum, and yet it is so small that the dish can actually pass on as a low carb or almost no carb option. Please follow the instruction given in the recipe reel description. I hope you love this.